Okay, let's look at this nice, really messy one. So the first thing you want to do is determine what's under the house and what's outside of it. So notice how the house ends at the 5. This radical doesn't cover that 7, so that 7 is outside of the house. So I'm personally just going to take my marker and I'm going to draw parentheses because I like it nice and neat. I like to know what I'm working with. So I have the straggler chasing my car. Get rid of him. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Okay, so bring all of this down now. -2, I'm going to keep this in my parentheses because I know this is all one thing in the house. 2x plus 5, close my parentheses, equals 15 minus 7, which we know is 8. Okay, now this means this times this. So the opposite inverse function of that would be to divide by -2. So that's going to get rid of that. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other. Now let's bring down our cube root of 2x plus 5. And I can leave the parentheses off now because, I mean, I could put them here, but it's the only thing on the left, and this is all together. So I know that's all I'm dealing with. 4 divided by -2 is -4. Now, I have a cube, and it's all under the house. So I have to cube it. You guys are so brilliant. Okay, so that crosses that out. I'm left with 2x plus 5 equals, again, the same problem as last time, -4 times -4 times -4 equals -64. Now, I'm left with this 5 still. This dude's still following me, so I need to get rid of him. And I'm left with 2x equals -64 minus 5, which is -69. Now, I got to get rid of my security detail. There's still someone attached to me. So I have to divide by 2. Now, in class today, my answer is -69 over 2. Let me prove it to you. Okay, so my answer is -69 over 2. Well, 69 and 2 don't have any common factors. I can't simplify this anymore. So I'm simply going to leave this as my answer because from now on, we use imperfect fractions.